Overall, the rear camera module is indeed a step forward, but the lack of innovation in the selfie camera department is a bit disappointing. Now let's talk about what OnePlus smartphones have always been known for, and that's performance. OnePlus has picked Qualcomm's best SoC, the Snapdragon 888, which is built on a 5nm process and features the latest generation X60 5G modem. Although keep in mind that in India, the OnePlus 9 series only supports 2 5G bands compared to other regions. Now this beast of a chipset is paired with 2 RAM and storage options. You get one with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, that's priced at 64,999 rupees, and another with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which is the one I have, that's priced at 69,999 rupees. Yes, the prices have gone up by almost 10 grand this year in India. All of this hardware runs on top of the much loved Oxygen OS 11, which is based on Android 11. It continues to be a joy to use and is still one of the best Android skins around. Now, my OnePlus 9 Pro review unit shipped with a slightly buggy firmware. However, I did receive an OTA update which did fix most of the issues I had. You do get a few exclusive settings for the 9 series, such as ultra-high video resolution in the camera app and Hyper Touch, which is set to increase the sensitivity of the screen by up to 6 times in select games such as Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG and League of Legends. I'm not a big mobile gamer, so I didn't notice much of a difference with Hyper Touch, but your experience could vary. Now, the quick and snappy performance of the OnePlus 9 Pro should come as to no surprise given the kind of hardware it's packing. The Snapdragon 888 is a very powerful SoC and is paired with super fast LPDDR5 memory and UFS 3.1 storage. All of this combined gives it more than enough power to tackle today's apps and games. Speaking of which, games ran exceptionally well too. Call of Duty Mobile, Asphalt 9 Legends and Riptide GP Renegade looked stunning with their graphics settings maxed out. Most of the games I tested ran at 60 FPS except for some such as Fortnite and Brawl Stars, which can take advantage of the high refresh rate screen. I didn't notice any heating when playing games for short durations. However, anything over 15 to 20 minutes and you will feel the heat along the metal frame and the glass back. Battery life was pretty satisfactory too during my review period. The 9 Pro does have a 4500 mAh battery, which is a similar capacity to that of the 8 Pro. There's also 65-watt fast charging, which, just like the OnePlus 8T, charges 2 smaller battery cells instead of a single one, thus allowing you to fully charge the OnePlus 9 Pro in just 30 minutes. What's new though in the OnePlus 9 Pro is faster wireless charging. Now, OnePlus has introduced its Warp Charge 50 wireless charger, which, as the name suggests, can now wirelessly charge the phone at up to 50 watts thanks to 2 charging coils in the charger. Now, I was able to charge the 9 Pro completely in roughly 45 minutes, which is actually faster than what most wired chargers can accomplish. Now, you will need this new 50-watt wireless charger in order to achieve these speeds, which can be purchased separately for about 3,990 rupees. The OnePlus 9 Pro also supports reverse wireless charging, which lets you charge other Qi compatible devices. Even with heavy use, I consistently managed to get a full day's worth of battery life, which I think most people should be very happy with. In our HD video loop test, the OnePlus 9 Pro ran for just shy of 16 hours. Now, coming to the display, all of your interaction with the hardware takes place on this very good looking 6.7-inch OLED screen. It has a refresh rate of 120Hz, but thanks to this new LTPO panel, it can now scale down that refresh rate all the way to 1Hz when needed. This is something similar to the tech used in the Apple Watch Series 6 or even the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, this display panel produces rich and vibrant colors with excellent legibility in pretty much any lighting, and any input feels highly responsive. Video content on this display is also a real treat as the brightness is excellent and colors look lively. But when it comes to the design, OnePlus has taken a rather conservative stance. The core shape and dimensions are similar to the OnePlus 8 Pro, but with a new design for the back, which will take some getting used to. It's not bad, but it's not instantly recognizable as a OnePlus phone. For now anyway. It has an aluminium frame, you get Gorilla Glass on the curved front and back, and this IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. It looks and feels premium, but I'd strongly recommend getting any of the other colors other than this silver one due to the glossy fingerprint.